Today is 14 August 2020. I am just now in front of Chinese embassy in the Den Haag. I am going to inside Chinese embassy to ask my family members. More than 3 years, I have lost contact 19 of my family members in East Turkestan occupied the evil Chinese government. I have more time sent to information about my family members to Chinese embassy, but the Chinese embassy didn't give me answer. What about of my family members? Mana men hozir Xitoy ئەلچىخانىسىنىڭ mana kirish ig'izida turibman. Mana ko'rayotganingizdek, mana bu Xitoy ئەلچىخانىسى Dan Haag'dagi. Tahtaya apsam tahtaya video o'ringa jiq tahtaya bir ish yo'q qolib qolsa naqd isbot bo'ladi mishada. Aşağıda elip de kirivre ya bir şey sakışkırda tüspekti de ya bizim kılıda bir şey de elip al sen de. Sen kile korkmayın bana. Ali ve video eliyle versen mi? Sen sözde İngiliz sözde vre. Kile yakın kelip yakın sözüye yukarı avazda. Kile elçixana işi kirmez hazır.
Ik heb het van de week al gezegd, je mag er niet in, hè?
Ja, ik kan asken.
Buitendek.
Ja.
Nee, buiten.
19 of my family members is a.
Luister, vriend.
Why China's embassy didn't give me
Buiten
answer?
het dek.
Don't push me.
Get out.
Don't push me.
Get out.
I get out, but Chinese embassy must give me answer. Where is my family?
I give you the.
Yeah.
So I don't ask you in.
Why?
You're trespassing.
No, I don't.
You're trespassing. Get out
Why
of my.
I ask the
Get
Chinese
out
government.
of my property,
I
please.
ask the Chinese government. Give me answer. Where is my 9 of my family members?
Get out.
Why get out?
Because I say so.
No.
You're
I ask the Chinese
trespassing.
government.
You want to be arrested?
Look at. This is my
You
family
wanna be
members.
arrested?
Yeah. Look at my family members.
Do you want to be arrested? This is Chinese property.
Yeah, I know.
If
my
you
family
know-
members are Chinese citizen. 9 of my family members. Where's? Give me answer. If Chinese government.
Get
Where's my family? Where is my family?
How the hell should I
Where's
know?
my family? Tata video tata. Where's my family?
I don't know where
Yeah,
your
you don't know,
family-
but must Chinese government give me answer?
Sir,
Chinese government killed of my family members. Where's my
get
family
out
member?
of my property, please.
Why?
Because I ask you kindly now.
Yeah, I kindly.
No,
I kindly.
I'm kindly.
Yeah,
You're
I
shouting.
know. But I ask the Chinese government.
Get out of.
I not ask it to you.
No, but I
But
asking you.
Chinese government
I'm
give me
asking
answer.
you to
China
get
answer.
out.
Chinese government answer. Where is my family members?
I don't know where your family
You don't
is.
know. But you have to ask Chinese government. No, I don't go.
Please.
Qarindoshlar, meni to'rda taqib qo'yinglar kengri. Men hozir Xitoy elchixonasining ishida. No'ch o'tishib ketsin. O'tdasin. I am now inside of Chinese embassy in the Den Haag, in the huge in the Netherlands. I asked my the Chinese government, where is my family members? 90 of my family members is disappeared more than 3 years. Please share my videos.
Sir, just leave or you will be arrested.
Yeah. Police will come here. Ona sakçı geldi ya. Police come to here.
I will react.
Yeah, but I asked the Chinese government, where's my family members? 90 of my family members is disappeared. Ona sakçı geldi ya. Come here, police. Please share my videos. Everybody knows I am inside the Chinese embassy in the huge in the Netherlands. Yeah, I asked the Chinese government, give me answer.
Yes, I know. You have permission to demonstrate.
Yeah, I need demonstration here. I still stand.
If you only stand here, you have to take it off.
Why take off? Chinese government give me answer. Where's my family members? 90. This is my family members. Is a citizen of China. China's.
Demonstrate over there. If you don't listen, you can take all your stuff with you and you can leave. You have permission to demonstrate over there for 3 days. I know it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, today's last days. Yeah, today's last day my protest.
It won't you be allowed to go over there
Why?
because you have permission to demonstrate over there and not on the territory of the.
This policy can come to inside the China's embassy. He called to me. I must go out.
Ja, is rustig. Die zal nog zijn.
I go inside. I asked my family members. More than 3 years. More than 3 years.
In beeld als u mij ziet staan, alleen meneer staat in het hek, dus u kunt hem niet zien ook.
There's Netherlands police. Aynen Xitay çıktı. Where is my family?
Nee, je bent in mijn gebied.
Maar ik ga.
Buiten.
I don't touch you. I still.
No, you're not. This is Chinese property.
Yeah, I know.
My property. I want you out.
But my 19
I
family
want you-
members
I want
is
you
citizen
out.
of Republic of China.
Please,
Chinese government must give me answer. Where is my family?
don't shout.
Where is my
don't
family?
shout at me.
Where is my
Just
family?
get out.
Where is my family? Tate video tate.
Officials of the embassy can give some information.
They won't.
Where is my family?
I want him out of here.
Please,
No.
please
I
ask
want,
the Chinese embassy. Where is my family?
I want you out of here.
Saksılar geldi. Polis. Tate video çeke.
Sir. Meneer, wilt u nog één keer vorderen?
I follow you for the last
90
time.
people
Just
of my
get
family
out
members
of
is
my
suffer.
property.
More than 3
You're
years.
trespassing.
More than 3 years. Why Chinese government give me answer?
You're
They are
trespassing.
died
sir.
of concentration camp of alive. Chinese government must give me answer.
Sir,
Where is my family? Where is my family? Where is my family?
Meneer, nu aanhouden. Sir, you're going to be arrested. You're going to the police station with us. Yes? Okay.
Yeah.